we are going to convert a decimal number into the binary. 178, you start turning on the bits. You already know 1, 2, 4, 8 correspond to each bit. And to make 178, you will turn on this bit. So in our sum, 128 is our first number. Then we have to add some number. If we add 64 here, it will become 192. So we cannot have this number. In case of 32, yes, we can have 32 as well. It will become 160. Now we can also add 16 here. It become 176. And then we need 2. It will become 178. The rest of the bits will be 0. So this is the way you can convert a decimal number into the binary number. Let's try another 232. In this case, we need 128, then we need 64, it will make 192, then we need 32 as well, it will make 224, and 16 we cannot use. So 224 plus 8 is 32. This is how you can convert a decimal number into the binary.